Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. It is already 2:35 and I'm now very hungry. Yeah, I'm going to prepare my meal, my lunch. Still good guys, just reheat it. This is Bicol Express. Yeah, a lot of Bicol Express. Basically, it's pork and coconut milk. And something else. I don't know how to cook this. This is coming from Roi and Cassie last night. When I went to their accommodation, yeah, this is what they gave me. Just going to microwave some. Another thing that they gave me is this porridge. Yeah, arroz caldo actually. Yeah, this arroz caldo with chicken, egg. Also this one. This is also coming from Roi and Cassie. And Cassie is actually making this kind of dessert. Yeah, this cassava cake. Yeah, it's delicious. I ate some yesterday. Also this, they gave it to me. Orange juice. Also this, different Filipino breads. This one is Obi bun. I don't know the name actually. This Spanish bread. This ensaymada. This one I don't know, maybe pan de coco. Yeah, and some other breads inside. And there are more. Yeah. This ding dong snack, different snacks. Also eggplant. Yeah. And some corned beef, Filipino corned beef, Argentina corned beef. Also this garlic, fried garlic, and that will last for me for maybe 2 weeks. Bicol Express is normally spicy, but this one is not spicy. Okay, finish. And now it's time for the dessert. So this cassava. The same family with sweet potato, you know. And again, this is very delicious. This is also good when it is hot, and also good even it is fresh from the fridge. I'm going to eat the other half. We are now here in the Albura Marina, and I'm again going to meet Roi and Cassie. Yeah, and the two kids, Lorenzo and Rafael. I am actually supposed to meet them at the beach. They are at the beach this earlier, but yeah, they already left and now they are here in Albura Marina. I don't know which side. Nice weather today. Can you see the sky? Actually on the sides full of clouds, but still good. Also a little bit windy, but still good. You can see the ground, and there are big fish. Oh yeah, they are at the children's playground.
Careful, careful.
This one is unlimited.
you shooting it?
Yes. Oh, they're all there. The door is there.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, we just walk around the Bay Area here in Albura Maria. It is nice. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. 2 o'clock when it's actually 2:15. And I'm now preparing my lunch. It's going to be yeah, it's going to be this. This one is good. They also put a quail egg, chicken, and to have this yellow color, they put saffron. Very delicious. Every food that is cooked by other people is delicious. The one that I cook is just okay. If I am a good cook, I will invite them to come and have lunch or dinner here in the house. I am doing my laundry now. It is now already 3:20. And I will be having this. Is my this ensaymada but without cheese. So classic ensaymada. Maybe this one is pan de coco. I'm not sure. Yeah, I just put this in the microwave. And of course my coffee. Oh yeah, this one is pan de coco. So there is a coconut inside. Yeah, it is now 7:12, but outside is still it's still bright. And I'm going to have again this one, the cassava cake from Roi and Cassie. I eat this much. Just 30 seconds. Yo, good day guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. 2 o'clock. But it is now 4:28. Yeah, I am here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square, facing to this Anytime Fitness. You know, I am sometimes tempted to join the gym. Yeah, in that Anytime Fitness. That is open 24 hours. And sometimes they are having a promotion. Yeah, and I am tempted to join, to go to the gym. But yeah, I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm actually here because I'm going to check. I'm going to put petrol, I'm going to put a gas. And I need to check which one is the cheapest petrol. Yeah, which brand is the cheapest. 121. In Coles is 231. In Mobile is just 219. It is now 122, 56 liters. I think it's about 160 or 170. Oh wow, just now, just 148. How come? Yeah, that's cheap. Because in the previous months, I was always putting over $160. And you know, there is a law here in Australia that you should not leave your vehicle unlocked.